Today we have the Qing Luan Z4 earbuds we're going to review and unbox today, and this was a sponsor by a friend overseas. I'll definitely link his store in the description so you guys could check it out on AliExpress. I really enjoyed unboxing this because there was a lot to cover in this video. For this unboxing, we have these cards what displayed what everything was, but it was in Chinese, so I couldn't understand. But it does beat a plastic book some companies included with their products. This is just outstanding. Alright, we have different varieties of ear tips in here. So I had to Google translate what it said. It says the green ones are enhance the sound of field, improve the resolution, sound transparency, bamboo plugs, ear tips. The green ones, wow. The red ones are equalizer plug, enhance low frequency, improve listening. Last but not least, we have these clear ear tips, transparent and neutral, enhance mid to high stakes, transparent set. And let's move on to the carrying case. Inside the carrying case, we have the 2-bit cable for the headphones with extra accessories inside the case for your ear tips. So right here is where the magic happens. You see those two shiny things right underneath the headphones? Those are replaceable sound tubes. The strongest analytical power spreads picture of music, which means that there is two different sounds that you could add to these earbuds. With those, you could literally change the sound of the music with this setup, because you have 3 different types of ear tips that will change the bass, the mids, and the lows, and you have 2 different sound tubes that you could just customize over time and see what is fit for you. Alright, let's do a quick comparison. $40 IEMs versus $160 IEM headphones. For this, or $160 for these with high quality okay bass, and they give you this with those. Let's see the presentation. That's it. That's all you get. And extra ear tips. But look at the varieties of these. We get 2 extra sound tubes that you could change the sound of the music, and 3 extra different types of ear tips. One has cotton right on the inside of these, and these red ones don't have any. And you can see there is something in front of these ones for sure. So you get 2 different ear tips in here for that, or you get these $160 ones, which quality is good, but you get more bang for your buck right here. Alright, using these headphones for a couple of days now for gaming. These are amazing, just like any other IEMs out there. And these are only 40 bucks on AliExpress, and you get so much accessories with these headphones. I think you guys should give it a shot for gaming, music. The bass is great on these, and the quality build of these are a clean, sleek metal. These are not plastic at all. These are fully metal earphones. There is some weight to these. These are really nicely built, not like some IEM headphones that are completely plastic. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.